Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. If you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. In order to check the video resolution and the frame rate, you've got two different ways. You can do it fastly right here because we've got this icons connected with both options. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to change the resolution. However, if you prefer to see all of the options in a row, simply unroll the top bar with the options, just swipe your finger from the top to the bottom of the screen, and here we've got the resolution and the frame rate. Simply tap on the resolution. We've got four different options: 720p, 1080p, 4 and 8K. All you have to do is to tap on the option, and the same situation with the frame rate. Of course, the availability of the frame rates depends on the resolution you've previously chosen. As you can see, whenever you will see the changes right here, whichever video resolution you can see here, it means that it has been applied. So from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.